Alright. Come get some cheese. Does anybody want any cheese? I already looted it, and I'm hoping for some greedy little customers to come over here and get some of this cheese. Like this guy. Oh shit. Hopefully he's talking about someone else. Who is it? Oh shit. Okay, well. Let's let the cheesehead come over here. The fuck on my screen, bro? What that, bitch? Whew. And that's how you kick their ass. T5 fuckers down. Holy shit. T5. Whew. I got some killing to do. I mean looting to do. I gotta get that loot and go. Let's check my health. We're gonna be doing some running here. I'm gonna grab a gun. Probably take this off the old Mosin. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off. And that is expensive. There we go. I'll drop the Mosin. Now, and we're gonna go get her shit and hit the road. Cause it's that time.